This is the FutureFit Ultra Advanced AMOLED Screen Smartwatch. You got lots of controls here, from do not disturb to changing brightness. You can even power it down or go into your overall settings. You got messages pushed from your phone when you're tethered, and a few different panels like your daily activities, step count, distance traveled, and calories burned. You can fly right into the heart rate screen, and it'll immediately start taking your heart rate with the green diodes down there. You've got last night's sleep time broken down into light and deep. In the app, you've got even more of a breakout. You've got weather, and this weather is settable in Fahrenheit or centigrade, and you can select what city, and it comes along with forecasts as well. Get back to the main screen. You can come over here to your app drawer, where you have activity data, which was your step count stuff, a variety of workouts. Now remember, this thing is 5 ATM, I believe, and it's fully waterproof. So you'll see in here that you've got swimming, yoga, basketball, cycling, and of course your classic running, walking, and climbing. No GPS though, but it does tether into your phone for all of that stuff. And any workout records that you do will be shown in here, and you can monitor what you just did or check it out on the app. Here's heart rate again. You also have blood oxygen available to you, this time measuring it with red diodes, the more advanced technology. You've got the female health section, and this just gives you a summary of where you are in the cycle. In the app, you've got full control over all the different aspects. An in-out breathing, breath training setup that gives you vibration on the in and out as well as visuals. So if you want to just tune out and close your eyes, you can tell the cycling based on the vibration. Last night's sleep time, music player, find your phone. You got alarm clocks you can set. You got an up counting stopwatch. You got a down counting timers that you can instantly choose, and of course the weather, like we mentioned before. A variety of watch faces come on this one, and you can select from a bunch of them that are on the app and transfer extra watch faces over to it. It's called the FutureFit Ultra, super thin, super light, waterproof. Check it out.